students, this is the third part of our second unit, second lesson on saying please. So, open your books, page number 14 and second paragraph. I may be as uncivil as. So, what is the meaning of uncivil? Look at the board. Uncivil, it means discourteous or impolite. I may be as uncivil as I may please, and the law will protect me against violent retaliation. This means, in this case, if I behave very rudely, with impolite manner, with the peoples, so that time there is not any kind of law which can punish me. In fact, the law will protect me at that time against any kind of violent behavior any person is doing with me. That time law will protect me, but law don't punish me about any kind of uncivil or rude or impolite behavior of mine. I may be haughtier. The meaning of haughtier or haughty is given here in this blue line. Have a high opinion of oneself and often a low opinion of others. I may be haughtier and boorish. The meaning of boorish also given here, rude and uncultured. And there is no penalty. The meaning of penalty, look at here. It means punishment. I may be haughty or boorish and there is no penalty to pay except, see the meaning of except, it means not including or other than. Except the penalty of being written down an ill-mannered fellow. So, if I am very haughty, I am thinking myself that I am greater than others and other people are very low than me, or I am behaving very rudely with uncultured manner with others. So that time there is not any kind of penalty, any kind of punishment the law will give me. In fact, only one punishment, one penalty the people can give me. And what is that? They can only say, I am an ill-mannered fellow. It means a person who behaves very badly with others. The law does not compel. Look at the meaning of compel. It means force. The law does not compel me to say please or to attune. Look at the meaning of attune. It means adjust to a situation or to bring into harmony. Attune my voice to other people's sensibility. Look at the meaning of sensibility. It means a person's feeling or tendency to be shocked. Sensibility anymore, then it says that I shall not wax. What is the meaning of wax? Look here. It means to remove hairs. Wax my mustache. See the meaning of mustache? It means hair growing above the upper lips. Mustache, it means when the hairs grow on or above the upper lips here, that is called mustache. Or dye. Dye means substance used for coloring. Or dye my hairs, or wear ringlets. See the meaning of ringlets? It means a lock of hair or hanging curl. Ringlet down my back. So here, what the writer is trying to tell us, that there is not any kind of law which can force me, compel me to do everyday shave, to set my mustache every day. Or there is not any kind of law that will force me to use some kind of substances of color on my hairs. And there is not any kind of law that will force me to cut my ringlets. It means a lock of hairs on my backside, or the curl of long hair on my backside. In the same way, there is not any kind of law which can force me to think about the sensibility of other people's and behave according to their feelings, their tendency. There is not any kind of law which can force me. It does not recognize the laceration. The meaning of laceration given here, a cut or tear of our feelings as a case. Here the meaning of case. Look at here on the board. Let me first clean this. It means instance, filling as a case for compensation What is the meaning of compensation? Look at the code. It means something awarded to give for loss or suffering. It does not recognize. Recognize it means understand clearly. The laceration, it means cut or tear of our feelings as a case of compensation. So, if I will behave rudely with uncultured manner, so there is not any kind of law which will force me to compensate that person, to compensate for that person's feeling. There is no allowance for. Look at the meaning of allowance for. It means to be taken into mind. There is no allowance for moral. See the meaning of moral. It means concern with the principle of right and wrong behavior. Moral and intellectual. So what is the meaning of intellectual? See here on the board. It means a person's mental powers. Intellectual damages in these matters. So, if I behave very badly with the rude manner, with uncultured manner, with others, so that time, if there is any kind of moral or intellectual damage happen with the other person, so I don't have to take that into my mind, because I am not going to do any kind of punishment by any law. So in this way we have completed this part here. So thank you very much. Have a good day to all of you.